Hi, in this video I want to show you how to check recently installed packages in Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu operating system. We can also check what version of Ubuntu with lsb_release command. So this is Ubuntu 16, which is Ubuntu JNL. Let's check the recently installed packages by grabbing varlog dpkg log file. Yeah, it lists all the recently installed packages. So the latest or the most recently installed package is at the bottom. In some cases, the log file gets rotated. So based on the time duration, we might have to check the old log files as well. So we can also check what are the recently upgraded packages using this command. Basically just gripping the upgrade keyword from varlog dpkg log file. We can actually verify that dpkg-l grep for the Linux headers generic package. We can see that the current version is 4.4.0.133.139, which is what recently got upgraded. We can also check what are the recently installed packages through apt-get command varlog by grepping varlog apt history file. You can see that these are the two packages which are recently installed using apt-get command. That's all. Thank you.